Hi guys, this video is a little bit different from the normal, and it's actually a shout out. I'm not making anything, I'm not going to show you anything, I'm not doing anything other than having a chat with you. Back in 2006, I had cancer, a bladder cancer, and I had treatment for it, and it was successful and it's never returned. In 2009/10 I had head cancer, which has created a lot of problems for me throughout my life since then. This is not about me, it's about somebody else. So I contracted head cancer. I had tons and tons, 4 months of chemotherapy. I had over 3 months of radiotherapy, which left me with lots of problems, no saliva, all the glands in my face don't work anymore. I have to have a bottle of water with me wherever I go. If I ride my motorbike, I have chewing gum, which helps for a while. It's nasty, but they cured me and it's never come back, and it's now 2023 and I'm very positive and I stay positive, and hopefully it won't come back. So we all know, all my subscribers will know, Matty, and Matty's workshop. He's an Aussie, he's in Australia, he's Matty, great guy. He's got a lot of followers, a lot of subscribers, a lot more than I have, and he does a lot more content than I do, and he makes some fantastic tools, little engines. He makes stuff for his son. He's done some stationary engines, and he's built tons and tons of various cutters and parts for the milling machine and the lathe that are stunning. The work he does is stunning. But poor Matty has contracted or has had a lymph problem in his lymph nodes under his arm, and he's just had a large lump removed, and at the moment he's waiting for results, etc. I can only imagine, Matty, if you see this video, whether you will watch it or not, I don't know, but for all his followers that know me, he must be in a really bad place, because I was. And when I first got told, I sat in a room with a Macmillan nurse and the specialist to tell me that, you know, the 50-50 chance. So far been lucky, and all I can say is that, you know, for Matty, he must be really, really, really down in the dumps at the moment, and this video is really just a shout out for him. He's a great guy, and I'm sure if he stays positive, everything will work out. You know, it's these days, cancer and various other viruses and lumps and tumours and things, they have a lot more success than what they did many years ago. My father died of prostate cancer, my mother died of a brain tumour. I'm sure possibly if it had have happened today, there may have been a better cure, and there is a lot better cure nowadays than what there were back then. So you know, Matty needs to stay positive and he needs our support. The reason I'm making this video is so that anybody that knows Matty, you know, John's Workshop, Ed's Workshop, Mr. Factotum, all the guys that follow me, I think follow Matty, and you need to sort of just go onto his website, onto his YouTube channel, and give him a call out and put him some support in. I'm not saying to give any money or anything like that, and Matty doesn't want any sympathy and he doesn't want any money. He's specifically already said that. He's not after money and sympathy from people, but to give him just a little bit of support would really help. I mean, back in the day when I had it, I had no support. I can't go into detail, but I was married to somebody at the time that, anyway, we won't go there. But Matty, he sounds like he's got a great family. His son, he does a lot of things for his college, and he thinks about other people more than what he thinks about himself. So this short little video is, please just go over and give Matty support. He's called Matty's Workshop and he's in Australia. If you haven't seen him, go visit him and just give him a little bit of support, because at this time I think he really needs it. Yeah, let's help him out best we can. Thanks guys for watching. Go support him.